Happy 4th of July. There's a little "Don't Tread on Me" for you there. Prickly ash, that's a Szechuan pepper tree that's right behind this thing. And behind the Szechuan pepper tree, that's a little fig tree. Oh, hello there, good people. Hi, I'm Jason with Green Country Agroforestry. Summer is, well, it's here now. And this is the time of year whenever we have to make a little bit of a change in our daily diet. See, started out in spring, I had a bunch of flowers that were edible that I was putting into my salads. Of course, salad greens like these sweet potato leaves here. But now that summer's here, some of the early flowers that we're eating have begun to start to fade, and we're having to switch to other varieties. Let me show you. Over here we have the Stella d'Oro daylily. Now the yellow ones we're all familiar with are done for the year. As you can see, they produced prolifically early on, but they're finished. But this peach-colored one, which was actually the first one we had at the very beginning of the year, this peach-colored daylily is still producing, which is somewhat of a surprise. Now I've only got one clump of those, so I'm going to have to divide those up as soon as they get done producing. But you're still able to enjoy these nice sweet petals, fresh in salads, or just eating fresh out of hand like I'm doing right now. Gosh, these are delicious. This time of year, in between July and August, these Hemeracalis fulva, the classic orange daylily, are producing in abundance. So we have plenty of these flowers that we can eat. And as you can tell from the pods that are being developed on the stalks here, lots and lots more flowers, or just the pods themselves that can be eaten as vegetables, are available to us during this time period. And these petals are every bit as sweet as the peach ones that we just saw a little while ago. These will keep on going all the way into August, I think. This year we've added a brand new flower to the lineup, the canna lily. And here's an example with its brilliant yellow outer leaf and the splotches of orange in the center, in some cases looking like leopard spots on the underside. Of course, perfectly edible flower, although it's not quite as sweet as the daylilies. It has a very delicate texture, plenty of moisture, and no unpleasant flavor at all. Just like a lettuce, only it's a perennial. You don't have to replant it every year. Of course, they come in different varieties too. This is also a canna lily, but with a brilliant magenta colored petals. They're just as good. So until next time, folks, remember, edible flowers are not just for spring. You can plant flowers in succession that are edible and can supply your salad bowl all throughout the growing season. Hey, that's all I've got for you this time, good people. If you found this video informative or entertaining, you know what to do. I will catch you next time.